to make ramen. I'm gonna take care of this real quick though. I don't want to leave him upstairs all alone. It's okay, baby. Come on. Let's go. We're going downstairs, baby. Baby can't go downstairs yet. He's not old enough to. He's only like 7 months, probably. It's okay. Hang down. Woo. Yeah, don't go to your baby bug. Okay, I hope there's nothing in the microwave. What's in here? Ah, there's nothing. Ramen time. First, you get your container or your bowl. Is that 2? Yeah, this one's the good one. Which one? Guys, which one should I use? How about this one? I mean, it smells like ramen. It's in the microwave. There's nothing in there. Then you obviously get your ramen. Then I gotta open up the ramen. Then you open up your ramen, of course. There you go. Now, this is tricky. You gotta put your ramen into the bowl, into your container or bowl. Doesn't matter what thing your ramen is in. Can't be a plate though. Okay, when you put your ramen in, you'll notice that there is a chicken seasoning or like any flavor you have in there. A seasoning. You gotta take that out. That will be for later. And then obviously you gotta put your trash into your garbage. And now you've gotta fill your bowl. Come on, turn on the water. With water just over the ramen. Like, yeah, about that much. Now you've gotta put upside down. Gotta put your ramen in the microwave. So if there's any honey bunches of oats like right there next to your microwave, you've got to take them and you got to throw them on the floor. Then you got to open up your microwave. Don't kick me. Don't kick the video. You put the ramen in the microwave and you close the microwave. This is very important here. You got to set the microwave to 6 minutes. Okay, now we wait. You gotta wait 6 minutes for this thing. I'm probably just gonna cut this part out of the video. And second of all, why am I not in the video? Okay, see you later. Okay, my ramen must be done by now. Wait, it's only been like 1 minute? So stupid. Just stupid. We have to wait a long time. What should we do while we wait? Should make a vid with the kitten. Where's the kitten? Shadow. How did I know about Shadow? On his tummy. He's licking me. He's on camera. Don't end the video, okay? Baby. Who knew that a baby could hurt so bad? Okay, got the baby. I got him on the couch. That's what I did. So I was waiting for the baby kitten, sitting down for a couple minutes. Doggy, come here. Come here, Bubba. Doggy, come here. Doggy, look. It's you. Is it a mirror? Is it a camera? Boggy. Show your face. She sniffed my phone. What does the baby do? What does the baby do? Actually, last time he pushed N. I don't want that to happen. Let's check on the ramen. Ramen. I'm starving. 3 minutes. That's like so much time. 3 minutes is basically 3 hours. 3 hours is basically 3 days. No. Let him be. Why did you say, oh, you squished him? Sorry. I'm sorry. Ow. I broke my back. You step on a crack, you break your mother's back. You step on a line, you break your dad's spine. You step on a stick, you break your brother's. You step on a stick, you break your brother's beak. He's so cute. I need to pet him like this. Oh, you're choking him. Let him be. Watch me on YouTube. Then subscribe. While we wait. While we wait, it's like gonna be like 30 or let me see. Gonna be a couple more minutes. If you don't subscribe in the next 1 minute and 14 seconds, then your ramen will be cold. You like ramen, don't you? I know you like ramen. Ah, I died. Ah. It's not all over my hand. And it's on my hand more. Tissue. New tissue. There. Does the baby have to? Mom, what did you say to the baby? Gotta do a poo-poo? You just told the baby gotta do a poo-poo. Do you gotta do a poo-poo? Do you gotta do a poo-poo? My ramen's like gonna be ready in like 5 seconds. I better be ready for that ramen. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Ramen. I got bubbles rising to the top. Am I supposed to do this one-handed? I gotta hold my phone in one hand. Ow! I'm using a towel. Actually, never mind. Basically, I'll tell you what to do next. I gotta do it with both hands, though. You've gotta take your ramen here, and you've gotta dump some out into your sink. Dump some of the water out. That's enough. Okay. Yeah, I and you saw how much that was before. This is how much it is now. Now you need your seasoning here. I'm gonna bring the phone over to the table here. Rowan,
It's got hot stuff. Watch out, baby.
do me a favor and bring the phone. Actually, never mind. Carrying the ramen with one hand. This is actually a big challenge. There we go, and one way to make chips ahoy. Make the battle. Okay. Make the battle. Chicken seasoning, and we're gonna put it in. Come on. Make sure you don't waste anything. You get all the chicken and all the seasoning out. This can be for any type of ramen, like this is how I make like the Marchin ramen, whatever that's called, or like that ramen. And it can be for any flavor. I need a fork. Rowan, go give me a fork. Go give me a fork or else I'll sue. I'm gonna sue. I'm gonna sue because Rowan didn't give me a fork.
I wonder what this actually tastes like.
I'm mad at you.
Oh,
You gotta stir it up with your spoon or your fork. Me specifically, I like to eat my ramen with a fork. It gets on my fork better. It's just like eating noodles. It is eating noodles. I said like with broth. And that is how to make microwaveable ramen. Bye.